Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian investment trader known as Mr. Singh. Marathon Digital Holdings. What a day, phenomenal, right? We're not done yet, folks. We are not done yet, but I'm gonna talk about some key things. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere because we have a lot to cover on the technical side. I am all the way from Fiji Islands, landed today, and right into that, started back in the grooves of trading and usual, making my videos and want to share what's going on, our favorite stock, and which you have seen my previous video. If you do not, go ahead and check it out, how much stock I have invested on Marathon, and it's gonna blow your mind because it is blowing my mind as well. Well, let's talk on the technical side, the fundamental side, what is going on, and I want to share with you guys what is the key things we gotta look at. Right, this news came out also today, and a Marathon securing a buy Bitcoin ecosystem has launched a slipstream direct Bitcoin transaction submission and design streamlined confirmation with a non-standard buy Bitcoin transaction. Right, growth, right. Let's talk about this slip. Steam is direct transaction submission both Bitcoin powered by Marathon and made possibly by the company's priority mining pool, which is Mara pool, and Slipstone is designed for streamlined confirmation from the large to the non-standard Bitcoin transaction, and where users can directly submit their transaction to the Marathon. Phenomenal, right? You want to hear that. Marathon is the first Bitcoin mining company to offer a direct transaction submission services because it's only publicly traded Bitcoin mining company that operates its own mining pool, and Marathon is the only known publicly traded Bitcoin miner currently capable of offering such service. Growth. We know earnings is coming up. Man, oh man, what else they have in tank? They have to release some things like that. It is a great news, right? So I'm excited. I know you guys are excited about this. This news came out about securing a Bitcoin ecosystem, which is called a slipstream, and I'm excited. I am excited. I am exhausted traveling from that, but I wanted to make sure that I cover everything because I'm here for the long run. I'm not here for the short run, folks. Go ahead and check out my portfolio, what I did from my previous video, and tell me what you guys think. I'm crazy. Yes, I am crazy, but when I trade, right, in order to have that, it's about risk and but not doing my fundamentals and my technical on the stock before I get invested on that. So let's talk about my two beautiful as I mentioned today, right? Look at that, about the support level sitting at $27.65. It came to $22.65, and sure or not, it came today, right? You can see is $22.67, right? 2 cents off, right? And sure or not, market open up, came that, then we rallied. You can see my WAP line, right? How we did on Thursday. WAP, the pink line was my moving average, which is the 200-day. We came up and it was acting as a support time and time. And then 60-day, you can clearly see that was a massive support. We went high at $25.11, and I knew when I briefly looked at it, I knew it is not gonna sustain that. It's gonna get quickly rejected, and I'm gonna discuss on the video why did I think that's going to get rejected quickly. So stay tuned on that. And we closed it today, right? We closed at a $24.56, and aftermarket is a little down, but I'm not worried about it. But it's just a beginning. This is a round two. What's a round two, right? When we had round one, we went from $16 all the way to $31. And I mentioned it, hey folks, we're gonna expect a pullback of a $10, and sure or not, we had a pullback of $9.98 pullback, and now we are really back again from 22 to 25, and I love it. Why do I love it? Let's talk about it, because this is a phenomenal stuff happening, and we don't want to miss it, right? Nobody wants to miss this run that Mara is doing it, right? When we had this massive run all the way to $27. So this is the 5-day, and you can clearly see the 5-day. We pulled back, making that, and now for 5 days, couple days now, we've been actually three trading days. We've been trading between this beautiful channel between 22.65 and 24, trading sideways, and we now, after that, on the 5 days, we have our pink line confirmation sitting over here, and the top is the blue line, which we wanted because that's the uptrend. And even though MACD is selling off, RSI is cooling off, I'm very 100% sure we'll be sitting at $27 very soon. I won't be surprised if we are sitting tomorrow, Friday, when we're closing it up, and sitting around there, right? This is a 1 month. And I talked to you about the squeeze, right? Remember in my previous video, I talked about this, my pink line, where we're trading below. And the pink line is sitting at $24.04. The resistance, right? The blue line on a 1 month, and it is sitting at $24.79. We didn't close today, and that's a little bit scary on that, but he made some high and traded in between that. RSI still has a lot of room, we have double digits to run on that, which is double digits can go up to $31, but it got cooled off. People, why we're trading a little bit in sideways? Because people who have bought shares from $19, $17 and went to 31, they sold it, right? I don't blame them. I would have done the same thing, but that is not my plan. That is not my goal, and that is what I have done it doing. And I've secured, I increased my stock portfolio by just doing that because I expected it to be trading sideways. Before I talk on that, let's talk about Bitcoin quickly, right? We are sitting at, as current time right now is 51,700 on that. The dip happened from 53 all over here. Won't be surprised, right? Won't be surprised at all going back high on that. Guess what? How Bitcoin is trading? Sideways. What is this pattern? Go look at it. If you think I'm not sure about it, when you go all the way from 43 and then you start trading and then you're gonna make high, it is called a bull flag pattern on a Bitcoin. It is creating a perfect bull flag pattern where you're gonna see a Bitcoin grips again. And I'm very adamant that they will crack 60,000 very soon, and I won't be surprised. It'll be before March 15th. In 2 weeks, we'll be seeing around that number. Yes, folks, I have said it. All right, let's see if I'm right and wrong, but I am very predicting that is by March 15th, we're gonna see Bitcoin sitting right over 60,000 mark, right? And we're gonna talk about the 3 months before I let you guys go. Folks, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification. I'm all the way from Fiji Islands doing the video and the beautiful islands. I'm excited and I wanted to share what is coming through. And this is just a beautiful beginning, right? So we still have this gap, right? Now this, you can clearly see that we kind of bounced up our beautiful two lines right here, which is the support and the resistance, right? And time we have done that. We have done it in past right here, right? And we are doing it currently right again. History repeats itself, and we break this out. 27 sits over here, 27. So once we crack 27.75, folks, holy, $39, here we come. $40 here, $45, here we come, and those gonna be the uptrends. So you're gonna expect it to have some pullbacks, and it is very common on that. And I mentioned in my last video, healthy pullback. It is called a healthy pullback, and when it does it, it clearly indicates the why it's a healthy pullback, because people have locked the shares and brought the price down, which is common. And now they have new investors are jumping and they're buying at a cheaper price. People who will be holding at $16 still, like me, or people who have been holding stocks from $14 like me. Hey, patience is key. Patience is key. This is not over yet, folks. Don't get carried away of losing your gains right now, right? But I have a plan. I'm not a financial advisor. This is technical analysis. I am just sharing what I am doing right now. My goal is to have $50 on this stock, and I'm definitely looking at it on the beautiful picture when it's going to happen, and which will happen, because on the fundamentals and the technical side are both speaking at once, and which is a great sign. So we have this big up here. You're going to see this. We're going to trade it in between sideways. We're going to go test high, but you can clearly see that $30.40, roughly around there, with a very high resistance that have time and have broken. We can't break it. But now, this is the beautiful part. This is the beautiful. Why did I say that, right? Remember that? Look at my MACD. Look at my MACD. This is a very dotted green bar, red bar over sitting over here, and it's about to crack it. RSI has a lot of gas wrap. It have about triple digits to left, and the reversal is coming. And we are still, right? Our moving average on the 6 months is still sitting at the 60. My 60 is $23.98. And $21.11 is there. So it is still in that. I'm trading above those moving averages, which is great, right? We were trading below a little bit. Now we're trading today above. Like I said, I won't be surprised if you're touching $27.75 tomorrow. Hey, folks, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Next video is coming on the weekend, and the weekly recap, how we did our favorite stock of Marathon Digital Holdings, ticker symbol MARA. I'm just excited, a little exhausted, traveling it a long 12-hour flight and another connection of 3 hours. But I am excited. I have seen it many times with this stock and have been following it for so long. Patience is key, right? This is not gonna be a AMC, or it's not gonna GMC where it's gonna go $300 at one shot. Beautiful. If it does it, I'm sure everybody's gonna be freaking rich and everybody's gonna sell it. But I don't expect it to be making the run like that. It's gonna have a steady climb and it's gonna have a steady pullback. And now it's about a round two. Round two had just started. So just enjoy the show right now and buckle up and fasten your seatbelt, because it's a beautiful ride is coming through. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you guys on the weekend.